This is Starfire and Sunset. He says, I know you're going to give me a box. So over here is the taped hole that's been that way all winter. And the tape's going to come off and a nest box is going to go up. And they have been in the top position like Stormy and Peaches. And down here is Songster and Blossom. But they are going to be on the bottom so that I can get into their nest box more easily to keep track of the babies. So let's put the box back on. This duct tape covers the opening where the box will be mounted, keeps that hole safe so they can't get in and out when there isn't a box there. So we've cut the wires here in order to mount a nest box on the outside of the cage. Hello, Sunset. My good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy, aren't you? And so is Starfire. Yep. Okay. Let's get on with it. This is the nest box that my husband made, one of many. And it has little holes here to attach to the wire on the cage. And the lid lifts up. It's hinged. And we have pine shavings in there. There is a perch here for the hen to sit on so that she can let the male feed her without even leaving the box. He sits here. And this lifts up so I can check and make sure everybody's doing well in there. And again, we're going to attach this now with ties. We'll show you how that's done. Taking the duct tape off. What you doing there, Sunset? Says, boy, I'm excited. We've taken the water and seed containers out to make the cage less heavy when we moved it to the bottom from the top. And Sunset, you can see how interested they are. The male birds typically check out the nest box ahead of time to make sure it's safe for their hen. So it's not unusual that Sunset's over there keeping an eye on everything, making sure everything's going correctly, getting himself in the way. They know my husband and he knows them. He tells them good morning every morning and they relate to him quite well.
Careful, careful. There we go. There we are, it's all off.
Now we're ready for the nest box. Hello, Starfire. So we have one tie on there to try and make it easier to do the rest. And Starfire, you need to stay out of the box. It's not ready for you yet. She says, I don't care, I'm ready for it. Silly girl. Okay, we need to put the rest of those ties on. The birds are very, very eager little pair, Starfire and Sunset. We went out. Hello, Starfire. Sunset was just in here, came in and then left again. Yeah, he checked it out already. Now you're checking it out. Sunset's our little hen. Or, I'm sorry, Starfire is our little hen. Sunset, the male, was just in here. We've got some straps on, and they're impatient. Are we ready to clip them off?
Now I have to tighten this last one. Where is he? I think. Oh, well,
They're over there. They're
I
both.
thought he was in the box.
No. Says I'm waiting. Says I checked it and now I'm waiting.
There we are. Go back a little.
Okay, here we are. All set and ready. How about that, guys? You happy? It's raining outside. Not really bright, is it? But the box is ready. Yep. It's ready. You gonna check it out there, Sunset? Oop. Hi, Starfire. You're welcome. You're welcome, baby girl. Yeah. It's all set. Now I gotta get your seed bowls and your water dishes back. Yep, we got Glitter back upstairs. He needs his water bowls and seed dishes back too. I know, I love you. She says, I'll come out and fly about if you let me. All right, this is Blossom and Songster, who are going to get their cage, their nest box next. And first thing we're going to do is remove the duct tape from the hole that has covered it for the winter. And then we're going to install their box. It's not a new box, but it's their old cleaned box. Oh, Blossom is excited. Yeah, gonna get a nest box. Very happy about that. Aren't you, baby? So, Songster. I'm gonna check this out. Stormy's up above watching. He's always curious about what's going on below. Even Peaches is up there watching. The upstairs neighbors are keeping an eye on what's going on downstairs. Oh, I should have taken their water dishes out too. I think I will do that now.
You stay in there. Stay in. We are taking the tape off, so we're going to put your nest box in, and you know that's what we're doing. You know exactly what we're doing. You'll be able to get in the nest box in a few minutes. There we are.
He's pecking at your finger.
Hi there. You'd love to get me, wouldn't you? Yeah. Silly little boy.
Silly Songster.
Okay, here comes your box. There we go. How does that work?
Let me help. Checking the fit and location. And these two are so eager. I can't wait. Yeah, you'll be next. You'll be next, don't worry. Let me hold it for you. Is she in the box? She looks like she went in the box. Oh, not quite. I see a tail feather. What do you think, Blossom? Just barely done. And you're up there already saying, I want this box. Yeah. What do you think? You too. Yeah. Check it out. Okay, Stormy, there's your cage, or your nest box, I mean. Yeah, that was the most difficult one to put up. So, we don't have a lot of videos of doing it. We really struggled to get it up there. Anyway, it's there for Peaches and Stormy, our best parents. So here we are with boxes for Blossom and Songster over here, and Sunset and Starfire over here, and Stormy and Peaches up here, and hopefully Glitter will get a box if we get Glitter a mate in the future. So there we are. There's these three wonderful potential parents for 2023. Okay, these are the 4 cages in the living room, and there are 3 boxes here. Didn't bother to bore you with putting them all up. Up above are Ruby and Rudy. I think, looks like Ruby's in the box right now. And down here, no box for these two. This is Wonder and Miracle, and she is a little miracle. And they're too young. They'll have to wait till next year. And over here are our oldest pair. Our oldest pair and our youngest pair live next door to each other. This is Rosie and Pretty Boy. And they've managed to raise 1 baby each year for the past several years. When they were younger, they would raise 4, but they're not doing as well as the old pair. And up here, Sweetheart, yeah, and that's Valentine. I think Sweetheart is in the box. Is your mate in the box, checking it out for you? Yeah. Anyway, they've never raised any. If they do, it'll be a miracle, but that's okay. They're allowed to have a box, and they keep trying. Yeah, I think the problem is that our Sweetheart is just too old. He's never been a dad before, and he was a confirmed bachelor for too long. And when he finally accepted Valentine as a mate, he was beyond the ability to do what he needed to do, I guess. So she keeps asking, but anyway, we don't have anybody from them. But they're still good birds, and I love them. Yep. And Ruby is in the box, isn't she? She sure is. Okay, Rudy. You guys gonna be parents? You're gonna beat everybody else? Wouldn't surprise me. Wouldn't surprise me if you were the first ones to do something. There she is. Getting ready, huh? Okay. So those are the boxes in the living room. And these are my sweet little miracle bird. My 7th egg, who shouldn't have hatched but did. Yeah, I love you. And Wonder, he's so pretty. Wonder's beautiful. So we picked him for her, and she likes him. He's been feeding her. Yeah, they're both hand-fed and very tame. Okay, gotta get my hand out. Everybody have a wonderful rest of the day or morning, whatever time you're looking at this. Bye for now.